In this real estate photography tutorial, I'm going to review one of my team's photos and why we had to go back for a reshoot. Let's get started. All right, we're going to go through each of the photos as they were after edit. And the very first shot, you can see how we have sun flare coming through here. When we are taking a shot directly in the sun, we always block the sun. He didn't do quite enough blocking of the sun because we got the flare. Editor should have edited out this flare here at the very least, but not the end of the world. This is one of the reasons I had to go back, because he didn't really get the side with the garage and the pavers. If the garage was right here as normal, then this would have been the shot to get. But since the garage is over here, you have to think a little bit different and make sure you're getting the side of the house with the garage. Then we go the front, good shot, no flares. Got the side, good shot. But we are missing what I think the obvious shot that we missed is this paver right here, the paver walkway. Instead of getting a shot directly in front of them going down to the door, we just go right to the front door. This is a good shot here, but we should have had one from the pavers, because that's pretty nice, right? So continuing on, more flare, didn't block the sun enough. And granted, this is late in the evening, so the sun is right in the lens the whole time. Pretty good shots. I'm not going to give the computer time to get rid of the blur, so I'm just going to go through these. These are all really good shots, great angles, great height, getting everything really good in here, showing the door open and the door closed. This is deliverable, but I would have faced that doorway straight on, or a little bit more, showing, not cutting off the door at all. If you're going to do that shot, different angle, and centered that door or that slider. And then continuing on, everything looks good. Not sure what the difference was there. Oh, this is open and closed again. So again, too far away for that shot. That's good. That's good. A little extra there. Already showed it opening and closing. There we go. Is that different ring or so? But didn't get this opening and closing as far as I could tell. That's just a different ring. That's funny, but that's all right. So we continue on. Bathroom, great shots, great angles. Because it's a unique bathroom, get some extra shots. And just the standard bathroom shots. Looks good, looks good, looks good, looks good. All right. And the same with the twilight. I would have loved a straight on shot going up that walkway, especially with that all lit up and everything. But it's pretty good. If you can look over here on the right, there's an RV gate. And on the front of the house, the front shots, there's all we see is this partial of the driveway and the garage. We would have no clue there's an RV gate. So I went back out, and before delivering these, we'll straighten out this edit, and I'm going to erase the garbage can and recycle bin. And then we got this shot showing the garage, showing the pavers, and showing the RV gate. If this was going to be my one shot, I would show more RV gate instead of just this one. And then this is the shot he missed. This is the shot the client really actually asked for. And then here is the sliders for both angles. So you can see going in and opened and closed from inside. Now doing this in addition to the other ones is perfect. And this, granted, this is like a luxury house, high end, so you're gonna do a little bit more to make sure you get the extra shots. And then the pool shots he had were a little far away, didn't have anything close, everything was distant, which was great, showing the size of the yard. And so for the most part, deliverable. The only thing other than a few flares, he just missed a couple main shots, like going up that walkway. That's an important one. It is also the garage on the side. All the other stuff would have been just fine, but since I had to go back out there to retake those couple shots so they had them, I went ahead and added a couple more that I felt that he had missed as well. It's not bagging on the one person that went out and took these. I have missed bathrooms, I've missed things, I've missed garages before. You're just focused on other things and trying to get the job done, and you miss it. If you have any questions, comment below, and as always, like, follow, subscribe. See you in the next video. Have a great day.